A feature added recently in the NRP is the ability to import and export entire experiments. Here we see an example of an entire folder containing an experiment which can be uploaded. After the upload, the experiment can be found in the list of experiments. Likewise, experiments compressed into zips can be imported, facilitating the sharing of larger experiments. At the same time, copy-pasting an entire experiment into the storage folder and scanning it results to a new experiment added. Lastly, one can easily export experiments as zips with the export button attached to each experiment.